You'll die with me, Doctor!
I know.
Die with me, Doctor!
What is happening? Seems like we're having a malfunction. See if that works. Nope, didn't work. Like this.
And I will do it for you. Baby, I'm not moving on. I'll love you long after you're gone. Sleep alone. I love you long after you go, and long after you're gone.
Ah, seem to have piloted it down. Ah, let's come back off. And we've landed. There we go, another safe landing. What's this?
Ah, it's for me. Dear Phoenix, according to my calculations, you will receive this letter when you regain control of TMIX. First, you need to know a few things. I saved your life before our home burned down, but at a cost. There are none of our species alive anymore. Why would I read it? You're the son of President Rassilon. Damn right I am. Therefore, you have a bad history. Do not of following in your father's footsteps. Well, he is old. You need to see the good in the world. Well, life is good. Why do I need to see the world? I have programmed the TMIX to not be able to travel around space. You will be stayed in one particular area of the planet Earth. You will be sent there until I feel like you are able to leave. What kind of camaraderie is this crap? This is horse! Leaving. I realize I did so many stairs.
Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day. Like my eyeballs stuck on replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day. Like my eyeballs stuck on replay. Remember the first time we met? You was at the mall with your friends. I was scared to approach ya, but then you came closer, hoping you would give me a chance. Who would have ever knew that we would ever be more than friends? We're railroad white, breaking all the rules. She like a song played again and again. That girl, like something of a poster. That girl is a damn they say. That girl a gun to my holster, and she's running through my mind all day. Hey, Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like.
What the? Bozo, get zapped. What Galifrey just happened? Sir, you just blacked out.
Did?
Yeah, just strange planets, isn't it? Excuse me, whatever. That's out. So I can do whatever I want. I can exact revenge on the faculty. Or I could go wherever I want in time. Like the 2005 Super Bowl. What just happened? I am a time. Something has happened to you. Now, can you tell me what it might be? Change everything when it comes to basketball, tennis, football, and all. Even Mark Sanchez's butt fumble. That was you. Tim, you need help. I have to stop you. How can you stop me? I can prove my mind.
Right. It is starting to hurt.